In this video, I am going to talk about Dr. Ambedkar Post-Matric Scholarship for Economically Backward Class. First of all, talking about the benefit of that scholarship, maintenance allowance, reader charges for blind students, reimbursement of compulsory non-refundable fees, study tour charges, thesis typing or printing charges for research scholars. So now talking about the program, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India invite application for Dr. Ambedkar Post-Matric Scholarship for Economically Backward Classes from class 10th passed students and above. This scholarship aims to support the education of students from economically backward classes studying at the post-matric or post-secondary level. Selected students will receive a monthly maintenance allowance of up to Rs 750 and several other benefits. Now talking about the eligibility criteria of Dr. Ambedkar Scholarship. To be eligible, an applicant must have a domicile of Tripura state, belong to general and extremely backward class, be studying in intermediate, graduate or postgraduate course in government institution, have passed the matriculation higher secondary or any higher examination of a recognized university or board of secondary education, have a family income of not more than 1 lakh rupees per annum. Now talking about the documents required for that scholarship: passport size photograph, attested copy of certificate or degree or diploma for all the examinations passed, an original certificate of income issued by an authorized revenue officer not below the rank of Tehsildar, a receipt of the scholarship in the previous year. Now talking about how can you apply for that scholarship. Go to the official website, read the guidelines carefully, select the undertaking and continue. Select the state of domicile, scholarship category, scheme type or scholarship scheme. Gender, write the applicant's name, date of birth, mobile number and email ID. Provide the bank details, bank name, IFSC code and account number. Select Aadhaar or bank account number as identification detail and click on the register button. Then the mobile number will be verified and an OTP will be generated. Now log in using OTP and fill the form. An applicant ID and password will be generated. Use that for future reference. Please note that all the applicants are advised to fill the form correctly. No changes can be made once submitted. The applicants are also advised to fill only one application as multiple applications will lead to the cancellation of the form. Now talking about the important date related to that scholarship, application deadline is 15th of February 2021. Now talking about the selection criteria of that scholarship, selection of the candidate will be based on the eligibility of the candidate. And at last talking about some of the terms and conditions related to that scholarship, candidate belonging to one state but studying in another state will be awarded scholarship by the state to which they belong. Selections will be done by keeping in view the fund's limited nature of the scholarship scheme. Income certificate is required to be taken once only, that is at the time of admission to course, which are continuing for more than 1 year. The scholarship is dependent on the satisfactory academic progress and conduct of the scholars.
Share this video with your friends so that they can also get benefit by that video. Thank you for watching this video.